Hi guys, in this particular video I'm going to talk about the new batches which we are launching at Unacademy CLAT this week. So these are the features of Unacademy CLAT. You can access live and recorded classes anytime and anywhere, and you have the opportunity to learn from best educators and also NLU alumni. And you have access to national level mock test and also sectional test, and there are unlimited quizzes, and you can also launch a quiz. We have some weekly events like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies, and NLU experiences by faculty members. So if you know this thing that I have joined an academy as a special educator in the CLAT category. So if you want to unlock any of the free courses or quizzes, then you can use my code Trinath10 and unlock special classes and quizzes absolutely for free. So there is other important batch, which is CLAT Essentials, most important topics for CLAT 2021. This is an exclusive crash course covering most important topics for CLAT 2021. And this course is starting on 25th of June, and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English. And the educators of this course are Kushal Singh for English, Shubham Verma for legal reasoning, Kriti Singh for quantitative techniques, Richa Pandey for logical reasoning, and Keshav Malpani for GK and current affairs. And throwback CLAT, previous year questions and practice questions for CLAT 2021 batches starting on 30th of June, and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English, and our educators are Divya Kumar Garg, Samir Khan, Anuj Agarwal, Kriti Singh, and Shrishti Ghosh. Vijay Bhava, 1 year program to crack CLAT 2022 batches starting on 30th of June. This is a 1 year course and completely in Hindi, and this is an evening batch. And our educators are for English Jigyasa Mahendrita, for legal reasoning it is Lakshya Kumar, for quant it is Anuj Agarwal, for logical reasoning it is Kriti Singh, and for current affairs in GK it is Yash Sharma. And on popular demand, we have extended our subscription offers. Subscription offers for CLAT are valid till 30th of June 2021. You purchase 3 months subscription and you get 1 month subscription for free. If you purchase 12, you will get 2 months subscription for free. If you purchase 2 year subscription or 24 months, you will get another 3 months extra. Tests of the week, very important. Champion mock test for CLAT 2021. So this is India's largest scholarship test. And someone who gets rank 1, okay, whoever gets rank 1 will be given 75% scholarship. Yes, 75% scholarship on Unacademy courses. And from rank 2 to 5, 50% scholarship. From rank 2 to 5, 50% scholarship on 6 months and greater subscriptions. And this particular test will be held every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. And if you are a new user and if you want to unlock this test absolutely for free, you can use my code Trinath10. And sectional test every day at 6 p.m. It is a 30-minute test with 30 marks and 30 questions. And Monday you have English, Tuesday you have quant, Wednesday logic, Thursday legal aptitude, and Friday current affairs and GK. So you can also unlock this particular test if you are a new user by using my code Trinath10. And subscription, CLAT subscription, we have 24-month, 18-month, 12-month, 6-month, 3-month, and 1 month subscription. And if you want to get additional 10% discount, yes, additional 10% discount on any of the courses, any of the plus courses, you can just use my code Trinath10 and you'll get another 10% additional discount. And there are some important weekly events, that is CLAT topper interviews. Know all about your CLAT preparation and journey every Saturday on Unacademy CLAT YouTube channel. And subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy CLAT. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and let us know what do you feel. And do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. So that's all for now. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.